Surfer video. We're only going to be doing game videos once a month, and it's going to be at the first of the month. So let's get into it. Subway Surfer, or Jake Surfer, is just in a time loop all throughout the game. And he's just in a time loop. Sorry, that he's in a time loop. You can see him entering a mine here, entering it. But here's the thing. Jack Surfer he's just running. The whole point of the game is to try to get him out of the time loop. That's why you see him. He's entering the Ice Age here. You see him entering different time periods because he's trying to get out of the loop. He stops, that cop's going to catch him. So, plus those coins would get heavy after a while. Probably pretty fast. So how is he still running? That thing just don't make sense to me, that thing he jumps on. So yeah, none of it makes any sense. So if you'll please like, subscribe, and notifications please. I see y'all are watching but not subscribing, so please subscribe please, and I'll see you next time. Bye.